Hey, welcome to Cooking with Dave. I'm your host, Dave. Today we're going to make some spicy meatballs. I got 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef that I thawed out. I'll take that, transfer it over here to like that. Got that there like that. Now, I have that sambal sauce, which is just that spicy chili paste, and I'm going to take, I'm going to say 2 tablespoons. So 1 and 2. We're going to chop them up, and we're going to throw the onions in there. You know, all right, folks, we're back. We got the onions all cut up here, and I'm just mixing it all in the meat. Get a ball about that big. I just ruined my cameraman. He's done. He's almost on the floor here. Anyway. We'll roll these up, and when we come back, we're going to put them on the smoker.
Goofball.
All right, welcome back. Hey, I got the smoker all loaded here. Let's see here. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I got 16 meatballs in there. Hey, look nice. We're going to lay them in our sauce. Without dropping them. Got some sauce here. Got them on top of the sauce. We're going to take some mozzarella cheese here. And we're just going to lay it right over top. Okay. We'll drizzle that over there like such. What the hell? A little bit more cheese, like I said. More cheese don't hurt.